see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
Alright, I done cut and buffed the Mustang 66. Now I'm finna put everything back together. Trying to straighten everything out so I can get it in order where everything needs to go. Got the mirrors down and a lot of more stuff up in here that I gotta clean up and put back on. Just the weather stripping to the trunk, the handle, tail lights, these the back panels. I got most of the stuff on the other side of the car. Headlight bezels, all the other stuff I had painted, the trim and the bumpers, and a lot of trim up in here. And I got some new stuff that I bought for it. Bought a Ford emblem. It go right here. And I bought some door weather stripping and some bumpers for the doors. This the window to body seal, and this the window seal to the door. I got some black weather stripping adhesive and some emblem trim adhesive. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna put this front together first, then I'll work my way on to the back. Yeah, I think I'll do it like that. Or I might just put this trim on, the trim to the windshield and the back glass.
never stop. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up, we never stop. Right